10 survival gadgets every man should have. Did you know that over 80% of outdoor enthusiasts say they've found themselves in a survival situation at least once? Whether it's a hiking accident, an unexpected storm, or simply getting lost, it's crucial to be prepared. That's why having the right survival gadgets is essential, especially for those who love outdoor adventures. From tools that help you start a fire to equipment that ensures you stay hydrated, these gadgets could be the difference between thriving in the wild or struggling to make it out. Today, we're diving into 10 survival gadgets every man should have in his gear kit. Let's explore how these items can elevate your outdoor experience and prepare you for the unexpected. SOG Survival Mat Sheet. Let's start with a tool that's as rugged as they come, the SOG Survival Mat Sheet. Picture yourself deep in the wilderness, far from the nearest road or trail. You need to clear some brush or chop wood for shelter and fire, but your pocket knife just isn't up to the task. That's when the SOG Survival Mat Sheet comes into play. This heavy-duty tool features a 12-inch blade made of high-quality steel, designed to handle even the toughest tasks. From hacking through thick vegetation to splitting kindling, this mat sheet is your go-to for outdoor survival. But it's not just about its size and strength. The mat sheet's ergonomically designed handle ensures a secure grip, even in wet conditions, reducing the risk of slipping and injury. What sets this mat sheet apart from others is its versatility. X-Attack Fire Rod Fire Starter. Next up is one of the most essential survival tools, fire, and for that, we have the X-Attack Fire Rod Fire Starter. We've all heard that you should never rely on matches alone when you're out in the wilderness. Why? Because matches can get wet, break, or simply not light when you need them most. The X-Attack Fire Rod Fire Starter, on the other hand, ensures you're always prepared to start a fire, even in harsh conditions. This fire starter uses a high-quality ferrocerium rod that creates a shower of sparks when scraped with its integrated striker, easily lighting dry tinder. What makes the X-Attack stand out is its compact, waterproof design. The fire starter is housed in a durable, weatherproof case, ensuring that the rod remains protected from moisture and elements, making it ideal for hiking or any survival situation. Black Diamond Trail Pro Shock Trekking Poles. Next, let's talk about something that makes every trek through rough terrain a lot easier: the Black Diamond Trail Pro Shock Trekking Poles. When you're hiking, climbing, or trekking through rocky or muddy terrain, these poles provide stability and reduce the strain on your knees and joints, making it easier to cover long distances. The Black Diamond Trail Pro Shock Trekking Poles are equipped with shock-absorbing technology that reduces the impact on your wrists and arms, making them perfect for rugged trails and long expeditions. The ergonomic grips ensure comfort, while the adjustable length allows for a customizable fit based on your height or the terrain you're navigating. Camelback Mule Hydration Pack. Staying hydrated during outdoor adventures is crucial, and nothing does it better than the Camelback Mule Hydration Pack. Whether you're out hiking, biking, or trekking through the wilderness, the Camelback Mule ensures you have easy access to water without slowing down. This pack comes with a 3-liter reservoir that allows you to drink hands-free while you move, which means you can keep your focus on the trail instead of stopping to dig around for a bottle. The ergonomic design of the Camelback Mule ensures it sits comfortably on your back, with ventilation channels that help keep you cool even on the hottest days. The pack also has plenty of storage space, including compartments for snacks, gear, and a phone, making it ideal for day trips or longer excursions. Olight Parent Mini Headlamp. Now, let's dive into a survival essential that ensures you'll never be left in the dark: the Olight Parent Mini Headlamp. Imagine you're navigating a trail after sunset, or you're setting up camp in the evening, and you need both hands free to get things done. This is where the Olight Parent Mini Headlamp shines. This compact yet powerful headlamp offers a bright 1,000 lumen beam that can illuminate your surroundings for up to 70 meters, making it perfect for both close-up tasks and long-range visibility. The headlamp features multiple brightness levels, so you can adjust the light based on your needs, from a gentle glow to a super bright beam. The best part? It's rechargeable, which means you don't have to worry about replacing batteries every few months. Night Eyes S-Spiner Microlock. When it comes to survival, sometimes it's the little things that matter the most, like the Night Eyes S-Spiner Microlock. This small yet incredibly versatile tool is perfect for securely attaching gear to your backpack, belt, or even a tree branch while you're out in the wilderness. The S-Spiner features 2 gates that lock shut, providing a secure hold that prevents your gear from accidentally slipping off. Whether you're hanging a flashlight, attaching a knife to your belt, or securing a water bottle to your bag, The S-spiner's durable construction and locking mechanism make sure your gear stays in place. Made from stainless steel, it's both lightweight and strong enough to withstand the rigors of outdoor environments. Etexity waterproof LED camping lantern. Next, let's talk about light, and more specifically, the Etexity waterproof LED camping lantern. Picture this: you're out camping, and the sun is set, leaving you in complete darkness. With the Etexity LED lantern, you can light up your campsite, tent, or even your entire campsite with ease. This lantern features multiple brightness levels, allowing you to adjust the light based on your needs. Whether you're looking for a dim glow to read by or a bright beam to light up your whole campsite, this lantern has you covered. It's powered by either rechargeable batteries or disposable batteries, so you can use it for long trips without worrying about running out of power. Thermarest EvoLite Sleeping Pad. A good night's sleep can make or break your outdoor experience, and the Thermarest EvoLite Sleeping Pad ensures you get just that. When you're out in the wild, the ground can be unforgiving, especially if you're sleeping on rough, uneven terrain. The EvoLite Sleeping Pad features advanced self-inflating technology, making it easy to set up camp and get comfortable in minutes. The pad is designed with a lightweight yet durable material that provides a cushion barrier between you and the cold, hard ground. Its advanced construction also helps with insulation, keeping you warm during chilly nights outdoors. The EvoLite's compact design allows it to roll up into a small, easy-to-carry bundle, so it won't take up precious space in your pack. Coleman Queen Aired with Pump. When it comes to comfort in the wilderness, few things can beat a good air mattress, and the Coleman Queen Aired with Pump delivers just that. Camping doesn't always have to mean roughing it on the hard, uneven ground. With a Coleman Airbed, you can sleep like a king, even in the middle of the forest. This inflatable air mattress features a soft, plush surface that ensures a comfortable night's sleep, and the included pump makes inflation a breeze. It's designed with air pockets that provide extra support and stability, so you won't wake up in the middle of the night feeling like you're sleeping on rocks. The Coleman Queen Airbed is built to last, with durable materials that are resistant to punctures and leaks. Sea to Summit Camp Kitchen Sink. Last but certainly not least is the Sea to Summit Camp Kitchen Sink. Picture this: after a long day of hiking, you're ready to cook a hot meal, but you need a way to clean your cookware and utensils. The Sea to Summit Camp Kitchen Sink provides a convenient, portable solution for washing dishes when you're out in the wild. This collapsible sink is made from durable, food-grade materials, and it folds up small enough to fit in your pack without taking up too much space. When it's time to wash up, simply unfold it, fill it with water, and you've got a reliable place to clean your pots, pans, and utensils. The sturdy handles make it easy to carry, and the reinforced seams ensure it will last through countless adventures. Which one of these gadgets would you never leave home without? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found these tips useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your fellow outdoor enthusiasts. Stay safe out there, and remember, preparedness is the key to a successful adventure. See you next time.